down a dangerous road. I have come to where I'm standing with a heavy heart. I had a woman once. She was kind and she was gentle, had a child by me who grew up to be a man, had a steady job, till I started into drinking, started playing music, traveling with the devil's band. If I give my soul, will he clean these clothes I'm wearing? If I give my soul, will he put new boots on my feet? If I bow my head and beg God for his forgiveness, will he breathe new breath within me and bring her back to me?